Hi everyone and welcome back to It's the Little Things with Becky. Today I am going to be unboxing this. I already know what's in here, but you guys don't know what's in here, so it's kind of like a surprise to you. Before I get started, this video is not sponsored, but before we get too deep into that, if you haven't already, please give me a big old thumbs up, and that would help me out a lot. And also, if you're interested in seeing more of me, please hit that subscribe button by hitting that bell over there. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Also, if you want to see even more of me, you guys can head on over to Facebook and then go to It's the Little Things with Becky, same as here, and find my page, and I do a bunch of makeup looks on there as well. Share the videos from here over to there and do my final look. And if you guys still want to see more of me, I don't know if you would or will or not, but if you guys have TikTok, head on over to Becky Wright 50, and I'm on there as well. So anyway, let's unbox this box, shall we? I know what's in here, but so my aunt and uncle have came down to visit from Virginia, and they brought me goodies. So, I am so excited for this. The first thing we have here is, drumroll please, I Heart Revolution eyeshadow palette, the pizza palette, and I am really over the moon excited about this, guys. This is the Chef's Special, and I'm really excited about it. Of course, I'm going to open every single one and show you of what's in here. But yeah, my aunt went and got some makeup for me up there and brought it down with her to give to me. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's slightly rised up here. And I love how that feels. And then, like I said, I already know what the shadows look like in each and every one, but I will show you guys. Look, it has a mirror, and of course, this is pizza style, so everything is named. For example, we have extra cheese, we got marinara, we got mozzarella, we got pepperoni, we got Neapolitan, we got everything. But there's that with a nice mirror. I am so excited. You guys are going to be seeing a bunch of first impressions, reviews, makeup looks here soon on all of this stuff. So there's the first one. Anyway, that is by I Heart Revolution. This will be the first thing I have tried from them, so I am excited. So be on the lookout for those videos. Now, the next one I have is I Heart Revolution Sweet and Tasty Get Poppin' Popcorn eyeshadow palette. Of course, we will open this one too. And this one also is rised up. But here's that. Once again, a nice mirror and a bunch of fun shadows in there. Like snack, thriller, poppin', of course, movie, flick, snack cart, theater. But there's those fun ones. Hey. Oh, I guess the title of this is Movie Night. Movie Night? Admit one? We're going to call it the movie, or popcorn one. Alright, and there's a bunch more, guys. Then, of course, following the theme, this is the I Heart Revolution Extra Sauce So Tasty Hot Dog Palette. I only thought I was going to get maybe 1, 2, 3 of these, and it turns out she bought me a lot more, which I'm so excited about. So here it is. I love the covers of these. These are just so stinking cute. Oops, I guess I'm holding it upside down. These are so stinking cute, and I love the themes. So there's this one. there's the shades in those. Like, here's one, Frank, ketchup, hot dog, mustard, tofu dog, oh my dog, foot long, roller coaster, worst, all that to play with. I'm so excited. Once again, a nice big mirror. Alright, and we are not done yet. Alright, now we have this one right here. This one. And these are all I Heart Revolution, by the way, is what I'm showing you guys. But this is Revo Pooches. So, it's dog themed. Look at how cute that is. I love this packaging. They put detail and thought into this. They really did. Oh, there's the slider part on the inside. Let me get that out, set that over here. But there's this one. Look at all those fun shades and the nice mirror. I see you guys. Hey. And let's see here. We have like walkies, Coco, Possum, Bark, Puppy Love, Doggo, Fetch, Fur Baby, Bone, Biscuit, Wolf. These are fun. I love that they took the time to like name each shade too. And I love their themes. Alright, so that was that one. Alright, here's this one. And this is the I Heart Revolution Peanut Butter Cup one. Here's the packaging to what that one looks like. But look. So it's like peanut butter chocolate theme. But look, it's so cute. Chocolate bar. I could just eat it. Like that. Well, that's a thumbnail. I'm sorry, guys. I have to have a little fun with it. But let's just pop this open to show you. So that's what that one looks like on the inside. We have pieces, honey, crunchy, smooth, caramel, delish, peanut butter, cup, milk chocolate, foil, just to name a few. Look at those. I like how they give you, in each of these palettes too, some shimmers and then some mattes. So you get a nice variety, but this is going to be fun. Do a peanut butter inspired look. So there's that one. There's this one, another chocolate themed one. This is the I Heart Revolution Chocolate S'mores. Here's the package for anybody wondering. Of course, this theme is s'mores. I don't know who doesn't like a s'more, but I love them. I also like the peanut butter chocolate too. Oh, there went the inside. But look how cool that inside is. Once again, all these palettes come with mirrors. You got your shimmers, you got your mattes, but we have Sweet Tooth, Yummy, Melted, Gooey, Campfire, Toast, Marshmallow, Roasted, Broken Biscuit, Dainty, more S'mores, Over the Fire. I love just the names of these, just to name a few. And that is my dog letting me know that she wants out. Hold on, dear. Alright, let me go let her out real quick. Alright, this is the last one of the chocolate themed one, but here's this. This is cool. And this is called Turkish Delight, obviously by Heart Revolution. But that's the packaging there. Alright, so these look to be more brighter, but a nice mix. Ooh, okay. So, here's what she looks like on the inside. Nice big mirror once again. But some of the shades are lemon, gummy, dates, pomegranate, delicacy, mint, candy, roses, rose water, tea, delight, date, did I say dates? I think it did. Pistachio, just to name a few, but there's that. One more time. So there's that one. Woo! So I'm so excited to try this one out. Those look like a lot of fun shades in there. And finally, the thing that I'm probably like almost most excited about, guys, I finally made it. By I Heart Revolution makeup. This is the Revolution Toy Factory shadow palette. Her name's Rosie. I got a golden bear. And she's an eyeshadow palette. How cool of a concept is that? I made it, guys. I got my golden bear. So let me open her up real quick. So this is by their Toy Factory collection. And I love that concept too. Alright, so this is what she looks like. Cute golden bear. And then we have this. Whoops. That. And then if you flip, oops, make sure that stays in there. Then if you flip her around, a mirror and that side. And this looks like maybe like a bronzer, blush, couture, or couture, now I'm talking fancy, contour. Let me just read the back here real quickly. I think these are all eyeshadow shades. Okay, so these are eyeshadow shades as well, which is fine by me. But, yeah, there she is. How cool is that? But I thought that was so cool. I got my golden bear. Like, look how cute this is. Somebody's like, oh, I like your little golden bear. And I'll be like, hey, yeah, I like it too. It's an eyeshadow palette. You open her up and ba-boom. There you go. Anyways, guys, you're going to see a bunch of videos on me testing out all of this soon. I'm going to probably split them up, obviously, between each eyeshadow palette, because that'd be a very, very long video if I did all of them. And I don't have that many eyes. I only have 2. So, yeah. But I am excited, and stay on the lookout for these videos. I am so excited and so happy. I can't wait to deep dive into all of these shades. Like I said, this is the first I Heart Revolution palettes that I have ever received, and I can't wait to use them. So that is, sorry, I'm putting them all back in my box here, but here's the final look here. Some of them are buried on top of each other. But anyways, guys, that is it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are all well and safe, and I will see you soon with another new video. Bye. Just kidding. Hit the wrong button. Sorry. Bye.